Want to create a playlist on YouTube with videos you want to rewatch from your PC? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, you will need to open a web browser on your computer and go to youtube.com to start finding videos. You will see videos on the main page of the YouTube site. You can add a video to a playlist directly from the main page. Right of every video title, there is a three-dot menu. Find the video you want and click the three-dot menu. Click on Save to Playlist. You can save the video in an old playlist, or you can create a new playlist. If you want to create a new playlist, click on New Playlist. The first field is Title. This is very important. Choose a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects the content of the videos inside. For example, if it's a series of tutorials on a specific topic, name it Complete Photoshop Tutorials. If it's a collection of your vlogs, name it My Travel Vlogs. The second field is Visibility. This is a crucial setting. I have three options. Public. This means anyone can find and watch your playlist. It will appear on your channel page and in YouTube search results. This is what you want for most playlists designed to attract new viewers. Unlisted. This means only people with a direct link to the playlist can watch it. It won't appear on your channel or in search results. This is useful for sharing private collections or for playlists you're still working on. Private. Only you and specific people you invite can view it. This is good for very personal collections. Now, I will click on the Create button. A video playlist will be created. You can also add a video to a playlist directly on the video page. Below the video player, look for the three-dot menu and click it. From the menu, click the Save button. When you click the Save button, a small menu will appear on the side of the screen with your existing playlists. From this menu, you can simply click the checkbox next to the playlist where you want to add the video. If you want to add the video to a new playlist, you can also select the Create New Playlist option from this menu. And that's how you can create a playlist on YouTube with videos you want to rewatch on PC, keeping your favorite content organized. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.